Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iBuying with Zillow Offers, full guide step by step clearly. To set up iBuying with Zillow Offers, begin by visiting the Zillow website. Create a user account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Zillow account. Navigate to the Zillow Offers section on the main menu. Review the eligibility requirements for listing your home. Ensure your property is located in a market where Zillow Offers operates. Gather the necessary information about your home, including its address and key features. Prepare to provide details about the condition of your home. Consider any recent renovations or repairs that may enhance your home's appeal. Click on the Get Your Offer button to start the process. Fill out the online form with the requested information about your property. Submit the form for Zillow's review. After submission, Zillow will assess your home using their proprietary evaluation process. You may receive an initial offer within a few days. Review the offer carefully, noting any terms and conditions. If you accept the offer, you will move on to the next steps in the process. Schedule a home inspection at a time that works for you. Ensure your home is ready for the inspection to provide accurate information. After the inspection, Zillow may adjust their offer based on the findings. Review the final offer provided after the inspection. If satisfied, accept the final offer to move forward. A closing date will be set, which can typically be within a few weeks. Prepare for closing by gathering necessary documents. On closing day, sign the required paperwork to complete the sale. Transfer ownership of the property to Zillow. Receive payment for your home directly from Zillow after closing. Consider using this process for future transactions if it meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.